How to fix iPhone sending green messages. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix iPhone sending green messages. So let's begin. The very first way that I will be teaching you is to make sure that you have an internet connection. So to do that, you just simply go to your control center and make sure that you have turned on your mobile data or you have been connected through Wi-Fi. So um, what this will do is that it will let you send a message on iMessage instead of the normal text. So the iMessage is the blue one and then the normal text is the green one. And then again, if it still doesn't work, then what I would suggest is you go to your settings, scroll down and look for messages right here, click on messages, and then you should turn your iMessage off and turn it back on afterwards. So simply click on the toggle button right here and turn it off, it will appear like this one, and turn it on once again. So what this will do is that it will just restart your iMessage. So probably Apple or the um, courier will be able to fix your issue. And then again, if it still doesn't work, then what I would suggest is to update your iOS. So to do that, you go to settings once again, go to general, go to software update, and then make sure to click on download and install right here. And again, if your problem still continues, even though you have did the three steps or methods that I have taught you, then what I would like you to do now is to go to the nearest Apple or Mac Center or contact Apple support for more assistance. So that's it. That's how you can fix iPhone sending green messages.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.